Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Attitude 1.2 Dualjet. This vehicle is a 2019 69 plate pre-registered vehicle with only 300 miles on the clock. This vehicle is £145 per year to tax, comes with 2 keys and the remainder of the Suzuki manufacturer warranty. I will now start by showing you around the vehicle and give you a highlight of the specification and condition of the car. Starting at the front, we have the signature Attitude grille, which is a honeycomb and chrome style grille. Front daytime running lights with fog lights and a lovely carbon splitter, which comes from the Swift Sport model. Down here we've got 16-inch piano black and diamond cut alloy wheels, all in great condition with grey tyres. Again, following down the side, we have the carbon side skirts, again which are from the Sport model to give this car a sporty look. Body colour door mirrors and door handles with privacy glass on 3 sides. As you can see, the rear handles are hidden. Now onto the rear, we've got the rear skid plate, which is also carbon with a reversing camera down below near the number plate. As you can see, the vehicle is in great condition and needs for no renovation at all. And if we step into the interior, we can see we have the black bucket style interior, which gives good comfort to the driver and also the passengers. The driver's seat is also height adjustable. In the rear of the car, we have ISOFIX points on either side and a 60-40 split rear seat. So as we can see, we have a flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, which consists of Bluetooth and audio controls, automatic headlights, and if we look in the middle, we can see the satellite navigation system, which also pairs as a mirror link system for your smartphone with DAB, SD and USB connectivity. As we can see down in the center, we have the USB and AUX functions there next to the 12-volt charging socket. And if we look at the climate control, we have aircon with a rear heated screen. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.